Today, I have a plug just for you. Hello guys, Alinafe Edwards here. Another day, another video, another plug. So today I have a plug for everyone who want to change their career, but they do not know where to start from. I have a plug just for you. To begin with, um, this other day I was busy, like on YouTube. I was just bored, and then I was like, let me just go on YouTube and see what I can learn today because I learn a lot on YouTube. I call it YouTube University, where you can find absolutely anything. This other day I was busy on YouTube. I didn't know what I was looking for, but I was like, I was just bored. I didn't know what I was looking for. So I just went on YouTube and I was busy just looking, checking things. And then there was a title for a YouTube video that caught my attention. And that video, the thumbnail was like free scholarships. I was like, who doesn't want free things? Let me watch this video. The lady who was explaining whatever she was explaining, she gave like five websites that are giving scholarship to study. She just said in general that this website, they have scholarships, this website, this website, this website. So there was a website that caught my attention for no reason. It just caught my attention. I was like, who doesn't want free things? I, for one, I'm guilty as charged. And then I went to this website, one of the websites she mentioned. She had a link on her YouTube video. So I went straight there just to check. When I went on the website, I went through the content, I read everything, and they have different programs that they are offering scholarship. So what stood out for me was software engineering. The word was just catchy. I really didn't know what it was about, but it was software engineering. And then I was like, cool, this looks good. And this certificate, it can look good on my CV. It was nothing like, I wasn't doing it like I want this scholarship. For me, I was just playing around. You understand? Like, I was like, let me just take my chances. Let me just apply for one of the programs. But the program that stood out for me was software engineering. And it was the longest also. It was the longest program on the website. I shouldn't say it was. It is the longest program on the website. They offer scholarships for 6 months, 7 months, and 12 months, 15 months. So that stood out for me. I was like, if it is this long, then there should be something here. Bear in mind, I didn't know anything about software engineering, and I wasn't even interested. I wasn't even interested in anything that has to do with tech. So I applied. You have to write an essay why you think you qualify for the scholarship, and what makes you think you're going to excel, and what drives your passion. So me being coming from a background of self-taught many things, I teach myself many things, like, yeah. I'm a self-taught in most of the things. So I wrote my AC the best way I know how. But when I was writing the AC, I was just playing around, you guys. Like I've already said, I was just taking my chances. It wasn't really something that was, I was just playing around, period. And then I submitted everything, and they mentioned one of the requirements is that you should have a stable Wi-Fi, and the scholarship is online. You solely do it online. You are going to have the classes online, and you should have a stable Wi-Fi, and you should have a laptop. I'm like, cool. I'm qualified. I have all these requirements. What can stop me? So I was just playing around, like I've already said. I filled everything that they wanted me to fill. I wrote the AC, and then boom, I submitted. After I submitted, believe you me, I really didn't think it was anything. To be honest, it wasn't, and I wasn't even looking forward for their response. I wasn't at all, because it was my first time hearing uh about them as well. It just happened that I was watching a right video, maybe at the right time, or maybe I should just say I was just watching a right video. After I think after I submitted, I received a response, guys. Like, they responded to me. Like, I remember they responded on Sunday. On Sunday, I remember vividly. It was on Sunday when I received that email, and I was laying on my bed, like it was in the afternoon. That's how much I remember about it. I'm going to put the email that they sent here so that you can see it. I cannot go into details about it. For a minute, I was so shocked. I was so shocked. Like, I got a scholarship to study software engineering. Like, in my weirdest dream, I've never even thought of going into techie. Talk less software development, software engineering. No, not a day, not a chance, not in this world. I've never even thought of that. Yeah, so that's how I got the scholarship. It didn't even take a week for them to, I'm just trying to remember if I'm saying the right things. It didn't even take a week, or for them to come back to me. Like, I've already shown you the email that they sent me, that congratulations, what. So, as I'm speaking to you, I'm a full stack software engineering student. Just like that. Just like that. Like, yeah. But then the good thing that I like about the message that they sent me, it gave me time to start researching about this program. Remember, I've already said that I did not know anything about software engineering. I do not have any background when it comes to techie. It was something new to me. I know there are people who pursue this career, computer sciences and whatever, but I never cared to bother. Like, I never cared. I really never cared. So I had a month to prepare, to do my research of what it entails and everything. Thank goodness, when I started doing my research about this program, what it is all about, I happened to connect with other people who were also doing this program, and they were so helpful. They really guided me, like the things that I should start preparing. Like, I should start looking into programming languages that they use, and how my first month is going to be, how my second month. It was so overwhelming. Like I was so happy. I'm like, let's do I was so excited. Like, yes, when something just happened to you unexpectedly, that's what happened. Like, I just saw God in all this. It is something that I never dreamt of. It's something that never occurred in my mind. Like, someday I'm going to be a software engineer, like just like that. I love how beautiful my life is turning out. Like the things that I never expected that like I'm so speechless, guys. So yeah, that's how I got my scholarship to study software engineering. Comment in the description box below if you're also interested to study software engineering, or you want just a career in techie but you do not have money, you do not know where to start from. This website, they don't only offer software engineering program. uh, they also have data analytics, Salesforce administrators. What else do they have? They have more than 4 programs that they offer. But for those of you who have money that you want to pay, they also have a payment method. But then this scholarship is in partnership with MasterCard. MasterCard is the one that is sponsoring it. And the founders, they are from USA. They also have another school there. They do things a little bit differently from Africa. But yeah, yeah. That's that. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Share with family and friends so that they can watch. If they're interested as well, comment in the description box below. I should do another video to tell you how you can apply. I applied, they accepted me. As I'm speaking to you now, I'm 1 month in the program. And another thing is, after you enroll, they put you on 1 month probation. During that 1 month, you must at least pass 80% and above. If you do not pass 80% and above, you are out, because these people are serious. Damn, like I'll tell you all the gist about this. So I finished my first month, and I'm going into another month. So I'm fully in at the moment. It'll be up to me. It'll be up to me to continue with them or not. If I find that it's not something that I'm really passionate about, I will not think twice. I'll drop it. But yeah, now I'm in a boot camp. We are going to talk more about this. Believe you me, I'm your girl. I'll give it to you. I'll be sharing my experience and how far I will go in this program, because I'm just there to have the insights and whatever. It's not that I'm really taking it at heart. I believe there are other people who are looking for this opportunity, but this opportunity just dropped on my lap. So it's really not something that I can say that I value too much. No, I'm just doing it for fun. Honestly, I'm just doing it for fun because the opportunity presented itself. That's my honesty. That's how honest I am. But if I know that the going is getting tough, I really don't mind. Like, I wish we could trade places so that I should give it to someone who is very serious. Like, they really want to pursue this, because like for me, I really have a lot of good things going on in my life, so I don't have to be selfish to have it all to myself. I don't mind sharing, and I don't mind passing it on. Yeah, so that's that. Thank you.